Hi everyone, today I'm super excited to do unboxing of my latest purchase. It is Seiko Presage automatic watch. The model is SSA347J1. I have not seen a lot of videos of this particular model, but let's see how it looks. And this is how it opens. Here is the box. And here comes the watch. Amazing, beautiful watch. And this is the chain removed because it is fitted to my hand size. And you must be wondering, there is no card and all, and I checked with the people. Those card warranty etc have been discontinued. Everything is now online. Now coming to watch, this is a beautiful, amazing watch. This is made of stainless steel. This is how the belt looks like. This is how the dial is. And the most important and the best part is the mechanism. And worth noting and highlighted here, we can see it says it has 29 jewels. I'm not the expert, but what I understand, this is decent automatic watch. And this is how it is. It feels heavy. The quality is good, the shine is good, the color is good. I'm not sure if you are able to see the color. It is blue moon. And this is how it looks. Very happy. The quality, the look, everything looks very good. Feels like, worth buy. Now as we can see from the dial, it shows dates. So today is 20th. And we can see there is specific written over here from 0 to 40, the power life, and currently it is indicated by this particular arrow. It is at 10. This shows that 10-hour worth of power is left. So if I keep on wearing and the movement is there, it will continue to have this much power. Once again, looks very good, very nice. Super excited for this watch. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions that I can answer. I purchased it from Helio store in India. Thank you everyone.